Burp allure. Wow. We are now going to only cater to
brat friends. This is all for
to
you.
burping fetishes now. We're gonna swaddle you in our big bellies. Our bellies are gonna get so swollen. Gurgle! Gurgle.mp3 plays in the back.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, excuse me. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Holy shit, that snuck up on me.
Come here, I'll check. What? I'll check you over? She gonna punch me? Whew. Then help me find the key. Huh. I thought you'd be shorter. You're tall. Just like my sister. Your sister? What about her? They're aggressive and may even try to kill you. Oh! What should I do? That's the room that we were in that was constantly repeating itself. We were looking into here. That's... Oh... That's cool. Oh, what is this? I wanted to forget everything once. I broke every mirror. Ruined the photos. But now, it ring no matter what. Somehow, I'd lost it. Or maybe it was hidden somewhere in this flat dimension. Then, just as I took a step, a cute little girl appeared out of nowhere. You're getting pretty close to endgame? Oh good, I have to piss so bad. Bite me to... I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I haven't had a piss break this whole time. Find the option to restart a character. Oh, it's my phone. What does this mean? What the fuck is going on? I know I'm being a wagey. Alright. First, before we cook, I'm gonna pop open my third monster of the day. Well, let me pop one. What do you call it? Crack open a cold one? Pop open a cold one? Crack open a cold one? Is that what you call it? Yeah. I got a burp. Amazing. Crack open a cold one. Now don't freak out, okay? My first monster was a... Oh, thank you for the dono. What if you sat on a plate and then served that? What the fuck are we talking about? I just heard it sizzling, it scared me. I'm not gonna burn the noodles. Chill out. Chill out. How do you guys usually cook your noodles? Actually, no. And I did those and more. And you know what? It was actually pretty fun, but that's because I did it with my friends. I don't know. I don't know why I'm always like hiccuping. So, we're just gonna pray that this is enough butter. Look at that! Oops. Alright, we're like basically done. Holy fuck! Okay, hold on. We're basically done. Okay. Fuck. It looks bitter. But now that I'm in a cave... Now that I'm in a cave, I can literally record like... But later. Right now, we've got to eat. Pass me the scissors, please. Without a single disturbance. And I know that sounds like nothing. I want to finish it though. Oh my god. I was about to say when I seen your burn when it comes out the other end. Spicy poop and shartin'? What? Thank you for the yes, crotch cam. But it's as if you cut 3. Look, this is all very sudden. I'm scared more than a little. It is. Huh, okay. Damn, are you a model, girl? Right. Shall we play? This chip indicates a type. Be careful, she's up to something sinister. I just puked in my mouth a little bit. It tasted like pepperoni. You need to hurry. I need to stay. There are questions I need to ask her. To find out more about her. Well, my digital girlfriend, but she's real to me. She's very real to me. We're just gonna...
4, 2. I'm so sorry. Because I'm motion sick, I'm gonna burp. Mountains are kind of interesting.
I guess I never gave Sayori enough credit. Sorry, but I can tell things are even harder on you.
Even have a way to contact me.
Damn it, I was trying to get out of this. Oh, that's true.
Sorry, the fonduloplism!
Oh my god. Sorry, I just threw up in my mouth a little bit. Still want to hang out?
Thank you for the 10. Technically a mature and responsible adult. I
Thank
apologize.
You, mature, responsible adult.
I am not a mature responsible adult.
Just looking forward to this.
Wait, really?
Well, kind of.
I was really looking forward to it.
Just because I never got to bake with someone else before.
We're talking about the same thing, right? Or we're talking about baking? Because I think we have our wires across.
Yeah, we're talking about baking a baby.
Cannibalism is awesome.
That's all it is, so...
Alright, I get it. Sorry for overreacting. I didn't think I was, but... Anyway, I'll be heading out.
Oh my god!
Help!
Oh my god!
The timing for that was crazy. Okay, maybe I shouldn't chug like seltzer water. Or whatever.
Yeah, just leave. You're embarrassing.
Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me, but I'll be heading out now. But the moment has already been lost. God damn it. I watch as excuse me, Natsuki slides the cupcake trays into the oven.
Time goes by so fast. It's already 5:45. Welcome in, Reeflings. Hello, Stronny. Oh fuck, that wasn't a good burp. Hold on.
I swear I'm not fapping. I'm trying to get the burp out. I can't do it. I can't do it. Wait. Hold. E Bombay! E Bombay! I can't do this. Guys, I can't get the burp out. It won't come out! Ugh. Guys, it's stuck in my chest. Sorry, I'm focusing my chi to force the burp out. Kame. Kame. Ah! That wasn't that good, though. I do have a lot of friends that play. I'm so sorry. I'm disgusting. If you're new here, I apologize. I'm having seltzer water right now. You're probably like, oh my god, who would watch the VAllure girls? All they do is burp and fart. It's like they're human or something. Ugh. Ew. Just for you in particular, I'm gonna burp real up close to the microphone and then blow it in your face. Mia. Oh, what? Why am I?
Here forever. And we'll never apart. Excuse me. Come on. Oh, there's
Back on a cold one with the boys there.
Oh. Wait. That was me after I swallowed the Reefling's hole, did a big nasty burp.
Did you say after you swallow the Reefling's load? Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, babe.
Hole like vor.
One of those like, well, it depends what you mean. You cannot imagine yourself writing fictional. Too late, already do it. Phone in the doctor. Knees. It's not slop. Can you produce sloppy for me? Who goes there? Okay. Okay, hydration. I'm going to burp in your mouth now. Please open your mouth. Now swallow it. Good boy. And it's like, no. Stop it. Actually, you know what? That's the funniest. I worry and often agree a little. I find it difficult to get to work. No, I love work. Oh, I guess actually, literally, we did do charity in November. I forgot about that. Who goes there? Oh, no. No, the layer. Get down. The more I do the voice, though, the easier it'll get. Who goes there? I feel like I'm not being burping. Rutro. Robert Rowe. Sorry, that was really weird.
Sorry. I need a burp. Hold on.
It's stuck.
It's like stuck in my chest.
Hey!
Help. Well, baking sounds like it could be fun. Don't mind me over here